It was only a matter of time after Anthropic made Claude capable of generating charts and diagrams that now it's offering a design assistant too. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. Anthropic has announced Claude Design, a new research preview that lets subscribers use Claude to generate designs, prototypes, slides, and more. Claude Design gives designers room to explore widely and everyone else a way to produce visual work. Anthropic isn't calling this an image generator. It uses Opus 4.7, its most capable vision model to date. In other words, you won't be using Claude Design to whip up a picture of a cat in space eating a lasagna. Like any other task, every project in Claude Design starts with a prompt. From there, Anthropic says users can refine Claude's outputs through conversation, inline comments, and direct edits. It will also generate custom sliders that correspond to specific elements in a design, which the user can push and pull to modify those elements. Anthropic has also built an onboarding process that allows Claude to build an internal visual language, so every project uses your colors, typography, and comments automatically. Outside of text prompts, there's also support for image and document uploads. And there's even a web capture tool so enterprise customers can snapshot elements from their company's website. There's also built-in sharing, and you can export a design directly to Claude Code. Claude Design arrived on the same week as Adobe and Canva released their own visual AI assistants. If Anthropic's trying to rival Canva, it's doing so in a strange way, given that you can export your Claude Design projects to Canva. If you want to try the new app for yourself, it's available as part of Anthropic's Pro, Max, Team, and Enterprise subscriptions. But remember to stay within your usage limits. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider. Like and share the video. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any updates.